Hello everyone, how to do some back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Robo AI chat and ask AI chatbot. So first of all you need to install, then log in your account. Then you can see the interface like this. So you can see in initial stage, or if you're a free user you'll get 3 coins. And most popular, if you tap here see all, then you can see here all the feature is available, like location finder, analysis selfie, celebrity mask, AI image, and generate logo, deep web search, generate signature, generate tattoo, summarize profile, edit image, and PDF summarize. So I'm just going to tap something like maybe something generate tattoo. But the thing is, it's not free. Okay, it's not totally free. If you tap here location finder, or you can see here write message, tap here hi. So like you can just chat, okay, and after that if you want to get every feature, then you have to buy the premium subscription. And pro GPT, like you'll get here all the AI model like GPT-5, Gemini, DeepSeek, Coin Plus, Grok, and Scalar Lite. So all the things are premium, but you can still chat. You can see here, if you tap here the plus icon, then you have to buy the premium subscription. Explore here, then you'll get something more like sentence rewriting. So this is free test, so to improve clarity, and this is something. So read it test, so it's all about, you can do it here, but if you want to do it specifically, then you can search email generator. You'll get here a lot of option in one place. Ask about religion, so if you tap history and settings, also you'll get here. So you can use, but you have to buy the premium subscription to get all the feature.